Good morning, everyone. So my happy accident from a few days ago gave me an idea for a song, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. My son's sound machine outside came up in one of the recordings, and it sounded like birds chirping. So I had the idea of using the birds' voices to trigger chord changes and to actually time my whole system here. So I recorded this little bleep bloop in the background, but I'm gonna add in the birds now, and you guys can check out what it sounds like. And I think it sounds pretty sweet, so check it out. So yeah, every time the birds' voices get past a certain threshold, it sends a signal into the resonator, and every, I think it's 8 or 12 chirps, it changes chords. So anyway, the birds are literally writing this one. Peace.